Hello students, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Mhatre, Assistant Professor in Botany at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanza, District Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. I am your teacher for SYBSc Botany Paper 3. In this presentation, I am going to discuss with you the details of syllabus of SYBSc Botany Paper 3 for semester number 3. Let's start our presentation with details of examination pattern. You all have passed your FYBSc and you were having semester 1 and semester 2. The same semester will continue at your SYBSc and it is known as semester 3 and semester 4. So entire examination pattern will be like your FYBSc. You will be having botany paper 1, 2 and 3 and each paper will be having 100 marks of theory and 50 marks of practical. So for semester 3, botany paper 3 will be 100 marks for theory and 50 marks for practical. Now let's continue with botany paper 3 theory syllabus. In this paper, you will be having 3 units, Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3. Same like your FYBSc. So let's start with Unit 1, Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry. The name of the unit suggests that it is related with chemistry of plants, that is phytochemistry, and pharmacognosy, that is study of crude drugs. So in this unit we will study details about medicinal plants, crude drugs and their chemical details. The unit is very interesting as it is having direct relevance with Ayurveda. Following are the topics included as per University of Mumbai in SYBSc Botany Paper 3, Unit 1 Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry. First topic is Introduction to Pharmacopoeia. Second, Indian Pharmacopoeia, Indian Herbal Pharmacopoeia. Third topic is Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India. So basically Pharmacopoeia is a legal book or document published by Government of India which contains information about different types of medicinal plants, crude drugs or chemical origin drugs. Topic number 4 is study of monograph from Pharmacopoeia. Topic number 5 secondary metabolites, their sources, properties, uses and regional as well as seasonal varieties. And last topic in this unit is adulterants, and in adulterants we will be having Phyllanthus, Bacopa, Abrus and Terminalia. So this is all about the syllabus of unit number 1. Unit number 1 is very interesting because it is having relevance with Ayurveda and medicinal plants. Unit number 2, forestry and economic botany. So this unit basically deals with forest, as the name suggests, forestry and economic botany. In this unit we will be having 5 different topics. Topic number 1 is outline of forest types of India. As you all know that forest type or forest present in Maharashtra are totally different if we compare them with forest present in Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. So in this first topic we have to study outline of different types of forest in India. Like in Rajasthan there will be deserts, in Maharashtra there will be deciduous forest, in Kashmir there will be evergreen forest. So different types of forest and their outline. Topic number 2 is agroforestry, urban forestry, organic farming and silviculture. This is also related with forest types of India. Topic number C is types of fibers, jute and cotton, and current trends in fiber industry. Fourth one is spices and condiments, in that saffron and cardamom. And last one is commercial market of spices. So topic number 1 and 2 are related with forestry, and topic number 3, 4 and 5 are related with economic botany. Unit number 3 is known as industry based on plant products. In this topic or in this unit, topic number 1 is aromatherapy. In aromatherapy, we will study introduction, uses of aromatherapy with few examples such as lemon, jojoba and jasmine. Topic number 2 is botanicals and nutraceuticals. In that topic, spirulina, vanillin, Garcinia indica, Garcinia cambogia, chlorella and kale. Third one is enzymes industry, and in that topic we will study cellulases, papain and bromelain enzymes. And last one is biofuels. So these four topics are in unit 3, industry based on plant products. And in paper 3 you will be having unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. Along with theory syllabus, you will be having practical based on all three units which are included in the syllabus. So practicals on unit 1, practicals on unit 2 and practicals on unit 3. There will be a short botanical trip or study tour or excursion in your semester 3 as well as your semester 4. So this is all about your SYBSC syllabus of botany paper 3 for semester 3. Thanks.